Healthy Dogs Matter got a special.
Yeah.
Join Healthy Dogs Matter $200 year membership. You get a promotional video along with a Healthy Dogs Matter t-shirt and front page billing on the home page. Your dogs and kennels will be promoted around the world. We have 4 different membership plans, so you will be able to afford at least one of them. There's no one looking out for you better. Healthy Dogs Matter. Oh yeah! Today we bring you professional breeder Chuwe of Mercado Bullies. Marcardo Bullies exemplify what the American bully mean in the Healthy Dog Matter movement. He is one of the founders of the Healthy Dogs Matter movement, so he wears that badge of honor within his American bullies by carefully selecting his foundation dogs with a touch of genius. With Chuwe's infinite knowledge of the dog breed, he chose no other than Bernadette and Cobra of the damn Yankee Bullies. That breeding created only one puppy out of that litter. And that's how he came up with his foundational bitch, Marcardo's Princess Leia. And just like building the house, the most important thing is the foundation. Chuwe found a dachshund that was 50-50. Dachshund was a exemplary male with health and exuberance and bone and mass, with rears and shoulders and bone and cheeks. Marcardo's Rubia, female, Marcardo's Negra, and Marcardo's Blue Magic were kept by Chuwe to be bred by Chuwe's other half and half Hercules, who was a half phenom and half razor edge bone. With Hercules, Chuwe was able to line breed with a touch of genius still, with health and agility always kept in mind. The reason why these 3 bitches were so important and so rare because their mother was a singleton off of their Bernadette and Cobra breeding. There are none like her in the world. All 3 possess the rear and the bone of their father, Dachshund. And all 3 created some of the best show dog American bullies on the planet. You may or may not have heard Chuwe Mercado Bullies, because Chuwe only wants to make dogs. He only wants to make good dogs for the world. He wants his name to be remembered as a great dog man, leaving behind a legacy that will stand the test of time. Oh yeah! Chuwe of Mercado Bullies breeds his dogs to the standard for show quality. Here's one of his females now in the ring with grand champion shots fired, stacking up against the male for best of breed. If you were lucky enough to get one of Chuwe's show quality pups, you know exactly what I'm talking about. After years and years of Chuwe only breeding into his own yard, Chuwe went out of his yard to breed only to the grand champion shot fired himself. A breeding that was also in itself a touch of genius because of shots fired being a 50-50 also. Chuwe saw the Dax line inside grand champion shot fired mother, who was a line-bred Dax bitch named Charisma that was bred to a producer of champions, a line-bred razor edge grand champion Waffle House. That genotype, the genotype, and phenotype, the phenotype put Chuwe on another level. That breeding was one of the most consistent litters of 2020. If anybody was lucky enough to get one of those pups, because Chuwe kept most of them, like any smart man would do if they had a grand champion shots fired litter. Because any one of those show quality dogs would change your life. That's why the American Bully is not a cheap dog. It takes time, patience, and dedication, financial losses, and heartache, heartbreak. You must respect the work of others before you put in time and work to create this designer breed, because quality plus time equals money. I wouldn't tell you to do something that I wouldn't do myself. I have purchased one of these puppies from Chuwe of Mercado Bullies. His name is Mr. Big Shot. He is the only grand champion shots fired son in Texas. You will watch him grow into another gorilla, just like his father, grand champion shots fired, and his grandfather, grand champion Waffle House. So if you are in Texas, he will be going to approve females very soon. This is 2021, January 20th. Mr. Big Shot enjoys the title of the only grand champion shots fired son in Texas. You will find my information along with Chuwe's, along with grand champion shots fired and grand champion Waffle House on HealthyDogsMatter.com website. We are offering a special. We are here to help the community. No one is doing what we are doing. We have 8 breeds and 4 different memberships. Join and support our movement now. I thank you in advance for your support. I ain't got to join Hit the Dog, man. I can be hard headed if I want to. Now go check out the website like I told you.